Today we take up our next part. What we discussed yesterday, now we proceed it. In our previous lecture we completed our two tenses, present indefinite and present continuous. Now we take up our next one, that is present perfect. It means here we find has, have plus V3 in active voice. But what we apply? I have called him. The sentence is in active voice. But when we change into passive voice, our structure will be subject, has been, have been, V3 by plus object. This will be in our passive voice. Again we find a significant thing in it, and that is in passive voice we always apply V3, but fortunately here we find V3. पैसिव वॉइस में हम V3 का प्रयोग करते हैं, लेकिन इसमें पहले से ही V3 लगी है, तो उसमें जो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल है, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स कमिट मिस्टेक इन इट. यू कैन अवॉइड कमिटिंग दैट मिस्टेक. आप इस टेंस में वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म को ट्रांसलेट करने में, बनाने में गलती से बच सकते हो. व्हाट वी अप्लाई हियर, आवर सब्जेक्ट इज ही, हिम है, आगे आएगा क्या बनेगा? ही. With he we apply has been. He has been called by me. They have done their homework. As I told you yesterday, when possessive case is used, the whole will be your subject. जैसे मैंने आपको कल बताया था, जब possessive case यूज किया जाता है तो पूरा अपना क्या बन जाएगा? सब्जेक्ट. possessive case I का my, we का our, he का his, then they का their. Their homework will be complete our subject, then their homework has been done by them. Now we take up our next one. As we know that the fourth tense we don't change it into passive voice, that is present perfect continuous. The fourth tense of present that always remain in active voice. Now we take up our next one, that is past indefinite. Sir, past indefinite we apply V2. I wrote a letter. Sir, in present indefinite we find V1, V1 plus S or ES, but in past we find V2. जब बेटे V1 आया था तो हमने क्या लगाया था? इज ए मार्क. V2 आ रहा है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? was और were. It is in active voice. What we apply in passive voice? Sir, subject with was, were, V3 by plus object. As I told you yesterday, in active voice our subject comes first, object comes is used later, but when we change into passive voice, the object of the sentence becomes subject and the subject of the sentence become object. तो जब मैं यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट की बात कर रहा हूं तो किसकी बात कर रहा हूं? आई की. सब्जेक्ट की बात कर रहा हूं तो किसकी बात कर रहा हूं? ए लेटर की. उल्टा है, रिवर्सेबल है. देन ए लेटर सिंगुलर में है, वॉज रिटन बाय मी. ही committed a mistake. Again, a mistake was committed by. Okay? This was in simple sentence. What we apply in interrogative sentence? Dear, ये तो आपका किस में था सर? सिंपल सेंटेंस में. The things that confuses us, that is interrogative sentence. Did she call you? This is in active voice. बेटा ये आपका एक्टिव वॉइस में है. In active voice, as you have seen in present indefinite, your tense begin with do and does. In past indefinite, your tense will begin with did, यानी कि V2. What we apply here, sir? जहां पर हमने इज़-ए-आर लगाया था उसको बेटे किस में कन्वर्ट कर दो? वॉज वर्ब में. वॉज वर्ब सब्जेक्ट V3 by and then your object that is will be in your passive voice. जो was verb आपने सब्जेक्ट के पीछे लगाया था, the helping verb that was used just after your subject that will be placed in the beginning of the sentence. वही was verb बेटे सब्जेक्ट के शुरुआत में लगा दीजिए. But keep one thing in your mind, what your subject is, and your subject will be near the sign of interrogation at the end of the sentence. जो आपका सेंटेंस है वो सब्जेक्ट है, वो कहां मिलेगा बेटे? साइन ऑफ इंटरोगेशन के साथ, यानी कि एट द एंड. तो बेटे यू है, यू के साथ वाज में से क्या लगाएंगे? वर, देन योर सब्जेक्ट यू, वर यू कॉल्ड बाय, वर यू कॉल्ड बाय, डिड आई टीच, देन सब्जेक्ट क्या है? देन आगे आएगा तो क्या बनेगा? दे. तो किस में बदलेंगे बेटे? वर दे taught by. Yes. Now we take up our next one. Again we find easy one, that is past continuous. Here, dear, you will find was verb V1 plus ing in active voice. What we apply in passive voice, sir? Subject either was being, then verb being V3 by, then your object. We shall apply it in passive voice. तो डियर ये आपका पैसिव वॉइस में होगा. एज वी हैव